With various countries starting their vaccination drives against COVID-19, efficacy of these vaccines against the Wuhan virus is being tested and constantly researched. There are increasing apprehensions about effectiveness of the Chinese vaccines. A recent Brazilian study revealing that China's CoronaVac vaccine is not as effective as touted by China is another blow to CCP's vaccine diplomacy. Chinese vaccines are having a hard time standing up to their tall claims as per this recent report. Released by the Butantan Institute, a biomedical research center on 12th January, the Brazilian study says that the Chinese vaccine is only 50.4% effective in preventing COVID-19 symptoms. An earlier report by the same institute claimed that the Chinese vaccine was 78 to 100% effective. After questioning by several scientists and observers, it was learned that the 78% and above efficacy was manufactured on the basis of incomplete and selective data and not proper findings. When all the severities of the coronavirus were taken into account, new information of 50.4% efficacy was revealed. A report in Al Jazeera stated that an urgent need for better communicators was expressed by Gonzalo Vecina Neto, former head of the Brazilian health regulator Anvisa and a professor of public health at the University of Sao Paulo. Anvisa has stated that it would require more information about the Sinovac vaccine before approving it. Ridden in controversies, China's vaccines created by Sinovac biotech firm perform well below other better tested COVID-19 vaccine like Pfizer's and AstraZeneca's, even though Indonesian researchers found the vaccines to be only 65% effective. Indonesia has approved it. With enormous financial and political pressure to massively overstate the results of these Chinese vaccines, the health of people of the countries relying on Chinese vaccines may be at risk. A Germany-based neuroscientist, Gagan Kizil, also revealed that the efficacy rate of the Chinese Sinovac vaccine is only 50.38%. Given the non-disclosure of trial data and Chinese government's refusal to share all the data for efficacy research on these vaccines, the Chinese government's and Xi Jinping's claim of vaccine diplomacy and doing global public good are falling short and may actually end up harming millions who rely on these vaccines.